How's it going, guys? Yes, another LR3. Like I said in another video, I was looking for a specific one, and this one just happened to pop up on Facebook Marketplace at the right time and for the right price. The LR3s have become my favorite of all the other Land Rovers I've had in the past. This one's a 2006 HSE with Java black paint and black leather interior. 216,000 miles, which isn't too bad. We bought my wife's white LR3 with 263, and it's still running great. I'll have to do an update on that one soon. But I got this one for a sweet $2,000, which is really, really, really good for what I'm getting. It's got this absolutely horrid wood trim that I just despise. You know what? Actually, it's not that bad, but I definitely plan on removing it. Probably this summer when it's warmer and easier to remove. The previous owner happened to install some really nice all-season tires. They're the Michelin Cross Climate 2s. These ones are in size 255, 5519, which is the stock size for the LR3. And they have this unique V pattern tread. They are nice, you know, they're quiet on the road, and they do really well in the snow, especially with braking. They're a bit pricey, being around $280, almost $300 per tire in this size, but I think if you're looking for an all-season tire, these would be a really great choice. The air suspension is still working, which is awesome, and it's also got a 2.5-inch lift from Proud Rhino rods. Hoping to do some more trails this year, but I'm not sure how the Cross Climate 2s will do. If and when I have to replace the tires, I'll just get some proper all-terrain tires, either the BFG KO2s, which are fantastic, I had those in the past, or the Goodyear Wranglers. I know those are great too. I have seen people running the Atturo Trailblades. I know they're a lot more affordable compared to the other two, but we'll see. A few issues to take care of on this one. I've already replaced the brake light switch because it had the brake AB correlation check engine code, along with the DSC, ACE, and brake lights on the dash. Occasionally, I'll get the P0171 code. So that's just the system running too lean. And I'll start with cleaning the MAP sensor, but might end up getting a new one anyway. There is a crack in the windshield, and the second row auxiliary lighter will sometimes lose power, but then it comes back on, so I'll need to check those fuses as well. The rooftop tent is sitting in the backyard right now. I still have to find some crossbars for this one, but I'll take my time just because for the winter I like to sleep inside the car because I'm a baby. Really excited about having this LR3. Hopefully it's the last one for a while. I'm serious, or at least I'm going to try to hold on to it for a lot longer than the other ones, but hopefully it turns out to be a great rig for the next couple of years. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a great day.